In early 2025, factory shutdowns, strikes, and political unrest rocked Bangladesh's garment industry. Orders were missed. Deadlines failed. Brands lost millions. Today, leading fashion brands are shifting their supply chains to India as the new hub for fashion sourcing. At the NoName Company, we combine the best of India's textile innovation with the precision of modern manufacturing. Whether you're launching a limited-run collection or scaling a sustainable line, we're built to adapt. Flexi MOQ from 100 units, natural fabrics, organic cotton, bamboo, Modal, certified production, GOTS, and Oeko-Tex. Fast sampling with every order, digital communication, global compliance, agile collections, on-time launches, premium quality that earns shelf space and customer loyalty. In 2025, your sourcing choice is your brand's reputation. Choose a partner who's aligned with your values and your ambition. Choose India. Choose the NoName Company. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.